Hi guys, Gina here from Destination Baby Kids YouTube. I'm going to do a quick tutorial of how to put the bassinet material onto this fabulous Baby Zen yo-yo. So you can go ahead and head to my website, destinationbabykids.com. If after watching this bassinet video you are inclined to buy one, just buy it directly from the website. We can ship it right to your home for free. But if you're learning about it here and we're teaching you here and you want to support your this channel, the best way to show your support is to buy directly from our website, destinationbabykids.com. Okay, commercial over. Here is our yo-yo frame. I do have the backrest sort of on it. I think when it comes out of the box, it's mostly naked, but if for whatever reason your backrest were on this, I would tell you the starting point is going to be to hit the white piece on the back of that backrest right there and remove it. So we have our naked stroller frame, and then we've got our backrest from the seat. We're gonna go ahead and take the backrest and put the put this guy to slide in. And I think the way to do it is to have the pieces line up. So you're gonna actually want it with the back part up, and then it goes in. There we go. And this two pieces line up together, and then your white button will lock in. So it does have to be sort of in a reversal of what you would think. You would think you would want the softer side up, but here you're gonna want the ridged side facing upward. Now, you also will have the material for your bassinet. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the apron from mine. I have mine set up to demo to customers. So we'll go ahead and remove that. That's that zippered piece that'll zip onto it when the kiddo's in bassinet, but we'll take that off. I'm sorry that that wasn't already off, but maybe it comes that way out of the box. I can't remember. Okay, so this is our bassinet piece. And we're gonna start like the canopy component has two wires on that. If you look on the stroller frame, there are little twisties right here on either side. There's two of them. You're gonna wanna push the stroller maybe away from you and be looking at those twisties kind of facing directly toward you. I'm also gonna hit my brake just so now the stroller isn't going to roll away from me. So we've got our little twisties right here kind of sticking forward. I'm gonna turn the stroller toward myself. And then, as you can imagine, we're gonna start by taking these wires and placing them into those twisties on either side. There's a little hole in the twisties, the wires will go right in there, okay? So that went pretty easy. There is a little lip on the back that's gonna slide onto the back of that backrest. So then it's sort of like lined up and sliding together. There are spots where we can Velcro that all together. I'll show you that in a second, but don't worry about it right this minute. Now, on the back here, you'll notice two sets of male-female buckle clips, okay? Those will go, you're gonna wanna take the long ones to run sort of under the silver handle here. And as these pieces come together, you will have each one buckle around the silver handle. So that's buckled around the silver handle on each side. There's little loops on the metal pokey pieces right here that went into the twisties. These loops will go over a piece right there. So they just hook over the edge. And then there are these little plastic guys that are attached onto the bassinet. Those hook up like a puzzle piece by each white foldable button. So now bassinet is set up relatively quickly. If we were gonna do this perfectly, we would then go ahead and attach the Velcro components on the back here. I'm not gonna do it because I'm a little lazy, but there are holes, you'll see that directly in there. And then your front piece will go ahead and zip back on and go over the top. So that should be pretty straightforward. Now when you wanna fold the stroller, it of course folds with all of this on here, which You think like, well, why wouldn't it? Most strollers don't do this. So you'll still collapse the stroller in the way that you're used to. The button, the lift. When your wheels don't get in the way, folds up completely and can still go over the shoulder. So that is our yo-yo set up with bassinet. Hopefully that was useful for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Again, just kind of a quick how-to. It's not perfect, but better than nothing. Thanks for watching.